Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine hiring the smartest employee. Every morning they wake up, they've forgotten every meeting, every customer, every decision, every document they've ever read. Sounds ridiculous? Yet that's exactly how most AI agents work today. Every conversation starts from zero. Every task loses context. Every workflow rebuilds memory from scratch. What if AI could actually remember? Today we are exploring RushDB, an open source memory infrastructure designed to give AI agents long term memory. Building AI agents today is surprisingly complicated. Developers usually need a vector database, a graph database, a document store, an embedding pipeline, synchronization services, complex retrieval logic instead of building AI. Teams spend weeks building infrastructure, more databases, more APIs, more maintenance, more glue code. Every schema change creates new headaches. RushDB asks one simple question: what if all of this could become one system? RushDB works differently. Instead of designing schemas first, you simply push JSON. That's it. RushDB automatically understands your data, creates structured records, detects relationships, builds graph connections, generates searchable embeddings, makes everything queryable. Developers don't worry about organizing data. RushDB organizes it automatically. Think of it as turning a messy notebook into a perfectly indexed encyclopedia. RushDB isn't just another database, it's designed as a memory layer for AI agents. Imagine an AI assistant. Today it remembers only your current conversation. Tomorrow it remembers customer interactions, previous decisions, tool outputs, meeting notes, emails, documents, relationships between everything. Instead of asking what happened, the agent already knows. It recalls information using semantic search graph traversal structured filters, all from one unified memory. This creates agents that continuously learn instead of constantly restarting. RushDB combines multiple capabilities into one platform. Instead of choosing between databases, you get graph relationships, semantic search, structured queries, live schema discovery, agent safe querying analytics. Persistent memory developers can access it through Python SDK TypeScript, SDK REST API, MCP server chat GPT connectors, Cloud integration, meaning your AI tools can immediately connect to a shared memory layer without building custom infrastructure. RushDB enables a wide range of AI native applications: agent memory GraphRAG, enterprise knowledge bases, customer support, sales intelligence, healthcare systems analytics, autonomous multi agent systems. Instead of storing isolated pieces of information, everything becomes connected. Every interaction strengthens the memory graph. The more your AI works, the smarter its memory becomes. The future of AI isn't just bigger language models, it's better memory. RushDB is shifting the conversation from how powerful is the model to how much does the model actually remember. As AI agents become part of our everyday workflows, persistent, connected memory may become just as important as intelligence itself. And perhaps the next breakthrough in AI won't come from making models smarter, it will come from making them impossible to forget. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.